Have you ever wondered that you have bought a new side light for your bike, and after installation, the things go like this? What you will do? Let me show you how to fix it. Stay with us. You need two pieces of 25 volt 4700 UF capacitors, and two pieces of 12 volt diodes. Let's solder your diode to the positive side of capacitor like this and make a two pieces for your right side light and left side light. Now solder a wire in between your capacitor and diode like this. This wire will connect after in, side light positive wire. Now join negative pins of capacitors and soldered it well. It will connect after on the negative side of the side light wire. And cover all the soldered area with tape. Now it is ready. We can connect this on our bike. Let's go for installation.